And in this recording, we will be looking at multiplying and dividing fractions and mixed numbers. Okay, multiplying fractions, fairly straightforward. Multiply the numerators, 2 times 3 is 6. Multiply the denominators, 5 times 7, 35. Multiply the numerators here, 1 times 2. Multiply the denominators, 4 times 9 is 36. Always check though, can you simplify? The first one cannot be simplified. Here the common denominator is 2. Let's divide them both by 2. Or if you're in the habit of using your calculator to simplify, you could have just typed it in. 4 times 2 is 8. 9 times 5, 45. Cannot simplify. You can always check on your calculator if you're not sure. If you put it in and it gives you the answer 8 over 45, it cannot be simplified. Have a go at these three. Put me on pause and pause when finished. Okay, 12 over 63. This can be simplified. Let's have a look. I'm going to use my calculator. 12, 63. Remember, for IGCSE Edexcel, you can always use your calculator, so not a problem. 3 over 56. This can be simplified. No, it can't be simplified. This cannot be simplified. On this one, 10 over 21. Dividing fractions. So you may or may not use the keep, flip, change method. KFC. So when you're thinking fried chicken, also think dividing fractions. Keep, flip, change. You're keeping the first fraction. You're flipping the second fraction and you're changing the divide into a times. Keeping the first fraction, flipping the second fraction, change this into a times. Then you simply multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. If you want to change back to a mixed number, which by the way your exam board does like you to do. How many 14s go into 27? It's 1. What is the remainder? 13. Okay, next one. Keep, flip, change. Keep, flip, change. 1 times 7 is 7. 2 times 5 is 10. Keep, flip, change. Keep, flip, change. 6 over 9 simplifies to 2/3. Okay, have a go at these next three. See how you get on with these. Right, higher level questions here. We've got mixed number fractions. Change them to improper first, multiply, change them back to mixed number. 1 times 4 is 4, add 1 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10, add 1 is 11. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. 20s into 55, 20 40 is 2, 15 is left over. But if you can see, this actually, the 15 20th simplifies, doesn't it, to 3/4. 12 add 1 is 13. We've got 13 over 4 divided by 2 times 7 is 14, add 2 is 16. Now, We've changed them to improper fractions. We need to keep flip change. We've got to divide. So keep, flip, change. 13 times 7 is 91. 4 times 16, 64. I'm just going to check on my calculator to see if I can simplify. Nope, that is my final answer. 1 times 8 is 8, add 3 is 11, so we've got 11 eighths, divided by 2 times 5 is 10, add 1 is 11, 11 fifths. Keep, flip, change. Keep, flip, change. 11 times 5, 55. 8 times 11, 88. This one can be simplified to 5/8. Okay, have a go at these 3 questions. Put me on pause and see how you get on. Change this to an improper fraction. 2 times 4 is 8, add 1 is 9. So we have 9 quarters, divided by 1 times 5 is 5, add 1 is 6, divided by 6 fifths. It's a divide, so you have to remember to keep, flip, change. Let's keep the first fraction, flip the second fraction, change the divide into a times. 9 times 5 is 45. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 into 45 is 1. Remainder 21. Question 2. Change into impropers. 1 times 7 is 7, add 3 is 10. So we have 10 sevenths times 1 times 4 is 4, add 1 is 5, 5 quarters. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. Let me simplify on my calculator. 25 over 14. 14 into 25 is 1. Remainder 11. Question 3. 2 times 5 is 10, add 3 is 13. 1 times 5 is 5, add 2 is 7. Multiply the numerators, 91. Multiply the denominators, 25. Change to a mixed number. 25, 50, 75 is 3. Remainder 16. Okay, I would suggest watching my little revision video on the topic of exam questions on fractions.